this time and assume that they are overlapping at this point. Okay. So for creating one square, how many matchsticks do you think you require? So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you are creating two squares, then how many matchsticks do you require? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we had 4, then we had 7. Now, if you have to create three squares, then how many matchsticks do you think you would require? So let us see. So first we had 4, then we added 3, and then we added another 3 number of matchsticks. So to create three squares, we require 10 matchsticks. Now, is it possible for you to create a pattern? But do you notice that every time, whenever we are creating the squares, it is reducing. It reduces the number of matchsticks, reduce every time. So can we have a direct rule that you multiply by 2 or multiply by 4? No, doesn't seem so. So let us see what we can do in this case. So what do? Let us see that for this, let's see how many sticks we require at every step. So initially we had 4 sticks. Now then to create two squares, we added these 3, isn't it? Then another one, so 3 plus 3. Now is it possible for you to write these 4 sticks in terms of 3? Because at every step you are adding 3, right? So we will convert this 4 also in terms of 3. So we will write it as 1 plus 3. Now I want you to replace this 4 with 1 plus 3 at every sequence. So we can write this as 1 plus 3 and this here as 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Now I want you to come back here and write down the sequence that you have written. So for when we have one square, so we used 1 plus 3 number of matchsticks. Now when we had two squares, then we saw we had 1 plus how many times 3? 2 times 3. Now when we had 3, then we had 1 plus and how many times 3 did we add? So it was 3 times 3. Now do you notice this pattern? 1 square, we multiply this 3 with 1 or we write this 3 only once. 2 squares, multiply 3 with 2. 3 squares, multiply 3 with 3. So for n number of squares, what do you think we should do? We will do 1 plus how many number of squares are we creating? N times how many number of sticks being added at every step? 3. So it is 1 plus 3n. Easy, isn't it?